Okay guys, so finally got the conning tower done. I'd say this is about 85 or 90% of the effort in building this model. The tower actually could be, it's a kit in itself. Really, I mean, it's a pretty nice detail piece. So I just put the last couple of parts on it. Sorry, here. I just put the last couple of parts on it, so just trying to be careful with it. I just added the decal, which you can barely see. I put the cat on it. This is the 995. It's the U-boat that I'm doing. So you can see a nice detail, even down to those small ladders. You can see the ladders there as well. Hard to see, the light's not very good. The camera sucks, but you can kind of see it there, the ladder, one on each side. So all that's left to do now is attach this to the hull and attach the railings and stanchions to the hull, and then it'll be done. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, so spent a few late nights here and finally got the assembly completed on the U-boat. Both hooks on here now, all the railings, conning tower. So all in all, very pleased with this kit so far. Very detailed. And went together really well. Like I said earlier, the bulk of the work is right here, putting together this conning tower. So all I have left to do now is a little bit of detail painting. You know, I want to paint the tops of the periscopes black, and all the weathering left to do, and the rigging left to put on, but the rigging will be the very last thing. So the next video you see of this will be the completed model on the base, finished. It might be a little while because I want to concentrate on the I want to concentrate on a couple of group builds, my Stug that I'm building, and my Battle of Britain group build as well, the BF 109. So anyways guys, I'm sure this camera is giving you a nice blurry image of everything, but so there it is. Again, if anybody is looking to build a submarine model, I highly recommend this one. You need a lot of patience because there are so many small parts, but it's well worth it in the end, I think. So anyways guys, thanks for watching, and hope you stay tuned long enough to see the final reveal.